In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide a collection in your Shopify store. This is useful if you want to temporarily remove a collection from your storefront without deleting it completely. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look at the left sidebar and click on Products. Inside the Products section, click on Collections. This will open a list of all the collections currently available in your store. Now select the specific collection you want to hide by clicking on its name. This takes you to the collection settings page where you can manage visibility and other options. Next, scroll down until you find the Sales Channels and Apps section. Here you'll see where the collection is currently visible. Click on Manage beside the Sales Channels option. A pop-up window will appear showing all the channels where the collection is active. To hide the collection from your online store, simply uncheck Online Store from the list. This removes the collection from public view while keeping it saved in your Shopify admin. After making the change, click Done to confirm your selection. Finally, click Save at the top right corner of the page to apply the changes. And that's it. Your collection is now hidden from your Shopify storefront without being deleted. You can always make it visible again later by following the same steps and re-enabling the online store channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.